Seoul and Beijing's free trade deal has been in place for a couple of years now, and there's always room for improvement. President Moon's recent trip to China may have laid the foundation for greater exchanges. Ji-yeon explains how the two sides could build on the existing FTA.
In a meeting Tuesday with Chinese trade officials in Seoul, Korea's Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy laid out the achievements of the two countries' bilateral free trade agreement, which took effect in 2015. It said the deal has played an important role in promoting Korean exports, which continue to grow for the 13th consecutive month in November and helps the nation maintain its economic recovery momentum. Bilateral trade volume increased 13.6% on year in 2017, amounting to $217.5 billion. Korea's exports to China jumped more than 14% on year as of November, amounting to $128.3 billion. This is mainly due to increased exports of tariff-exempt or tariff-lowered items, which rose more than 19% on year. That's faster than the rate of increase of items that were excluded from the deal. Korea's imports from China also spiked nearly 13% on year in November, mainly intermediate goods used in the production of semiconductors and computers. However, the ministry said foreign direct investment between the two countries dropped during the July to September period, as the FTA focuses on promoting the goods trade, not the services sector, and said further negotiation was needed.
Because of the exclusion of services from the deal, it left room for Beijing to adopt retaliatory measures against Seoul's deployment of the THAAD missile defense system and hurt Korea's tourism industry. If the services sector had been included in the FTA, Korea could have officially addressed it as a violation of the deal and received compensation for damages.
Korea's investment to China dropped more than 20% on quarter in Q3, while China's investment to Korea plunged more than 63%, following regulations on transferring money overseas as part of Beijing's efforts to hold on to its foreign currency reserves. A public hearing on follow-up negotiation talks will be held at the COEX Convention Center in southern Seoul on January 5th. Ji-yeon, Arirang News.